minutes. As y'all can see, we need to get some gas, like, man. We need some gas, buddy. It's crazy because I just literally put gas in here yesterday. And the day before that.
Man, quit playing with me, man.
And the day before that.
Oh, don't laugh.
Oh, God. Okay, that's cool. I ain't even tripping. We'll go ahead and go to the gas station and put our little gas in here. We're not going to complain. We're going to hold our chin up high.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
I see this 340 right here. I'm finna go try to get his ass. Yeah, 340. We step 340, shorty. No, you're not getting off? Oh, all right. I was gonna say, you better get off the highway with me. I can pop too, fuck nigga. Yeah, I want a 340 so bad. And I wanted to be that year. What the fuck? Oh my God, nigga, what the fuck? Alright, nah, that nigga's violent. Oh shit!
Oh, Mr. Beast!
Step up to the plate, come on. Come on. Oh, I'm not trying to burn my shit up. Oh shit. That nigga coming. Oh shit. That bitch is tough. Let's go, motherfucker.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
No.
I know you got something done to it. What's done to it, bro? Cause this shit is not stopped.
Stop, bro. Downpiping tune.
Downpiping tune?
Oh my God.
Nah, this shit is actually hard as fuck. But you can't beat a B58 though. Yeah, I know I've been wanting a B58 for a long time. But it's cool. We're gonna end up getting one sooner or later.
I hope so.
You wanna shout your Instagram out again?
Yeah, bro. It's EZ5s. EZFYE.
I bet y'all see this on the screen right here. Make sure y'all go follow my dog, man. Don't line up next to him. He will gap your ass. Oh God. Y'all know this car is the Mopar killer, right? I'm just saying, I'm just letting y'all know, like, just to remind y'all, like, this car is like, I call this car the Mopar killer. And they didn't get this name for no reason. So far since I've had this car, I've raced a red-eye Charger on a 60. I've raced a red-eye Challenger on a 60 and a 50. And I have yet to race an actual Hellcat. But just looking at what I've done to the red eye, normal Hellcat don't want the smoke, bro. If you got a normal Hellcat, you might as well just go ahead and pack that shit up, buddy.
Oh!
You might as well go ahead and just pack it up. Oh, what the who took his truck? Oh, good heavens. Bro, look at this, bro.
Oh!
Look at this, bro. Trump for fucking president, bro. I'm tired of paying these high-ass gas prices. This for any Tesla fanatics out here that want to know the difference between the Model Y and the Model X. There you go. That's the difference. Y'all, it's some Mustang boys down here. It's some Mustang boys down here. I'm trying to get next to them. I'm trying to penetrate them. And these fucking lights not working with me. The fuck these niggas got going on? I think they're gonna accept me as their leader. Yeah. Random niggas to fuck up off the block. Oh, yes. Yes, let me see what that's talking about. Yes, come around. Come around. Where's you going?
Huh?
Oh, he's fast. He's fast. Holy shit. Wow.
What did he say?
We'll get them next time.
Nope.
That's cute. I like that. Can you put it down, though? Yeah. That's good. I need to get tuned, bro. I need to get tuned. I raced the wrong one, all right? He's in front. He's the group leader. Look. He's in the front. He's the group leader. Any of them other three niggas back there, I'm gapping they shit. Oh, God. That's on phone them grave. I'm gapping their ass. He must got the fastest one. I'm assuming he has the fastest one. I just had to pick a fight with him, bro. It's cool, though. It's cool, though. Because this nigga making 900. My car still stopped. It wasn't really a race. Let's just get it clear. That wasn't a race. That was not a race at all. Yeah, that nigga wouldn't be Green Goblin, though. Fuck nigga. Yeah, nigga. Fuck nigga. Man, these bitch ass truck niggas, bro. Them bitch ass truck niggas. I ain't letting shit slide. Beefing about everything. Oh shit! It's an M6. Oh! It's an M6. That's that Orange King motherfucker. We finna find out what the M6 talking about. He just waved at me. It's the weekend. Everybody got their fun shit outside. It's the weekend. That's what's going on. I ain't gonna lie. That Mustang was fast. I just picked the fight with the fastest one. But hear me out. Before y'all go talking shit in the comment section, y'all got to hear me out, bro. If I had downpipe and tune on E30 with a TCU, it would have been lights out for that nigga. I just hope you know. He said they put down 901 to the wheel. That's cool. This car would too. I'm gonna get some. Whoa! Whoa! Y'all hear that shit? What the fuck? That shit sounds like that shit sweet, OG. Where you going though? But where you going with it though, OG? Where you going with it, OG? My God! OG got that shit! Hey, nah, he tough. Damn, I wish I would've had the M8 for him, then that would've been tough. He had the intakes on that bitch and everything. Now we finding so much lit shit today, bro. What the hell's going on, bro? Alright, YouTube, so man, as y'all can see, well, y'all don't really know, but I had went to the house, chill with Pops and Dukes for a little bit. And we're on the way to get our window tinted now, so we getting the window tinted and oil change the same day. I probably make 2 separate videos, so be on the lookout for the oil change video. But yeah, we're probably gonna end the video with some brand new windshield tint. Now, I don't know if this is 5 or not. I think that's a 5. No, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm gonna put a 20 on here just to be safe. But I'll probably end up retinting the whole car. When I get in and get settled where I gotta go, I'll probably end up retinting the whole thing. So we're gonna see how it goes. Alright, y'all, so we got the whip tinted, and the tint really like it's two different types of tint. This is more like blue, and this is more like hold on, bro. God. Yeah, as you can see, like they're two different types of tint, which I don't really care. I don't mind. I'm gonna go back and get these windows tinted as well, cause it's dark, but it's not as dark as I would like it. So we're gonna go back. But as of right now, like I ain't trying to do too much, so I'm gonna just go ahead and thug it out with this. Just hit up my boy Tay, man. If y'all need tint, bro, get that shit done quick, fast, and easy, bro. And my boy not really taxing for real, so yeah, I mean, I should go tap in with my boy, man. His Instagram gonna be on the screen. I put it on the screen a couple times. It's probably been on the screen the whole time. But yeah, make sure I go follow him, give him a follow, tell him you need that tint. Yeah, get with him. But yeah, boys, we finna goddamn. It's time to get the oil change now, honestly. But I think I still got like an hour 30 left, so I'm gonna just wait. All right, y'all, so this is what the tint look like on camera. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ooh, this is dark. Oh my God, y'all, it's tinted out for sure. I ain't gonna lie, I definitely needed that. Hold on, let me zoom in, y'all. Oh my God. Around time, 300 blackout. No, it's actually dark. I ain't gonna lie. Now you really, I was like, damn, you probably be able to see through it a little bit. Nah, you actually cannot see in there at all, bro. Try to open up the door. With the black interior, that obviously helps too. No, I'm low-key happy with this, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm happy as fuck with this right here. I ain't gonna lie. What if I put my visor up? Oh! So my visor up in the back, blocking out even more light. Oh yes. Oh yes. A win is a win, boys. A win is a win. A win is a win. We got Lucy over there. Oh yeah, gang. I'm fucking with this. I'm fucking with this, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. W Tint in the chat, man. W Tint in the chat. Y'all go fuck with my boy Tay, man. He really got me right. I ain't gonna lie. He really got me all the way right. I fuck with it. I ain't gonna cap.